You know I like the chicken fried. Hope you're on Friday night. Heard you fit just right, and the radio on. Raising the shade of Georgia pine. Oh, you know, sweet tea, pecan pie, homemade wine. Peaches grow in the houses all around. It's filled with love that's grown in southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried. Hope you're on Friday night. Heard you the just right, and the radio on. Like to see the sunrise. Feel the love in the woman's eye. Feel the touch of a precious child, and the mother-in-law. Just funny how the little things in life mean the most. Not where you live or what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on the piece of mine. This is I've come to know. So if you agree, have a date with me. Yes, it's hard to hold. Do a little bit of chicken fried. Hope you're on Friday night. Heard Jesus fit just right, and the radio on. Like to see the sunrise. See the love in my woman's eye. Feel the touch of a precious child, and the mother-in-law. Thank God for my life and for the stars and stripes. May freedom forever fly. Let it rain. Salute the ones who died, the ones that gave their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love. Like our chicken fried. Hope you're on Friday night. Heard Jesus fit just right, and the radio on. Like to see the sunrise. See the love in the woman's eye. Feel the touch of a precious child, and the mother-in-law. Eat a little chicken fried. Hope you're on Friday night. Heard Jesus fit just right, and the radio on. Like to see the sunrise. See the love in the woman's eye. Feel the touch of a precious